Okay, so see you. Bye. I might put some bloopers in. I'll put some. These are the bloopers. Here. You can pretend to be magic or whatever. You can be like. Ooh. You can pretend to be magic. So you could be like So it goes like this. So you light it, and then. Oh, is that wrong? Cut that out. Okay, I'm not really good at this one, but it's called the drop spark, and this is how you do it. You pinch it, and then, okay, this is how you do it. Again, if you want to see it. But it goes like this. But it goes like this. I don't know the name for this one as well, but it goes like this. Why can't you just stay on for like a second, please? It's like this. It goes like this. Called the knuckle grab or something. It goes like this. Ow. These are